Walmart fuel pumps often reject cards when the issue is actually the station's pre-authorization system, not your bank, and that's why the same card can fail at the pump, but work inside the store. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why your card is being declined at a Walmart fuel station, and the exact steps to fix it so you can fuel up without repeated errors. First, understand what's happening at the pump. Gas stations place a temporary hold on your card before dispensing fuel. If your bank blocks that hold, or if the pump can't verify the card quickly enough, the transaction gets rejected. This is why it feels random, even when your card has money on it. Start with the simplest issue: card type. Many Walmart fuel stations are stricter with debit cards, especially if they require PIN verification. If your debit card is failing, try switching to credit instead of debit mode at the pump. This bypasses some of the authorization steps that trigger declines. Next, check for bank-side blocking. Banks often flag fuel purchases as suspicious because they involve higher pre-authorization amounts. Open your banking app and look for declined transactions or security alerts. If you see one, approve the transaction or temporarily lift fraud restrictions before trying again. Another common issue is pump authorization limits. If the pump cannot verify your card fast enough, it will stop the transaction before fuel starts. In this case, moving to a different pump or going inside the station to prepay with the cashier often works immediately. Card reader problems are also very common. Outdoor card readers at fuel stations wear down faster due to weather and heavy use. If your card fails at one pump, try another pump before assuming the card is the problem. If you're using a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, not all Walmart fuel locations fully support tap-to-pay at the pump. In those cases, the system may reject the payment even if it works elsewhere. Switching to physical card insertion or swipe usually resolves it. If nothing works, the issue is often a temporary bank network timeout. Waiting a few minutes or restarting the transaction from a different payment method usually clears it. To summarize, Walmart fuel card issues usually come from three things: bank fraud protection blocking the hold, pump authorization failures, or hardware issues at the card reader. Fixing or bypassing any one of these gets the transaction to go through. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple fixes that save you time at checkout and at the pump.